In this video today, guys, I want to show you one of the laziest ways that you can use to make money online that I've been using in the last couple of days to make money on ClickBank. Now, this strategy is a brand new strategy, an underrated system that really came up recently that you need to make use of. This is a very simple way of making money online, and this works online with any product. Not only necessary affiliate products, but also any other product that you're selling, whether it's a physical product, a digital membership course, any product that you can think of, this will work. I'm not talking about making a quick buck with this. This is a long-term sustainable business model. I'm going to show you some of my proof and how I've been getting sales with this passively over time. And since this trend is still very new, now is the perfect time to capitalize and use the strategy to make the most out of it. I'm also going to help you out more in today's video, and if you want to grab a free $200 ClickBank course completely for free, make sure to leave a like, subscribe with the red notification bell on, and comment down below your favorite or most motivational, inspirational quote, and I will leave a link on the pinned comment down below. But without further ado, let's not waste any time and get straight into this. So the first platform you need to come over to is clickbank.com. Now, if you don't have access to ClickBank in your specific country, you can come over to a website such as jvzoo.com, which if you just go and search, it'll be the first link over here, or you can alternatively come over to Digistore24, which are both fantastic alternatives to ClickBank accepted worldwide. But since I have a ClickBank account in my country, I'm going to be using ClickBank for today's video. But here you'll see is JVZoo at jvzoo.com and Digistore24 at digistore24.com. Exact same process, exact same kind of layout as ClickBank, and most of the time you will find the exact same affiliate products. But once you're on ClickBank, if you don't have an account, you can sign up on the top right over here, or you can log in with your existing accounts over here. Once you've logged in, your marketplace dashboard is going to look something like this, where you will see a whole bunch of different categories on the left over here. And the best thing about this strategy is you can go and choose any niche over here, and I recommend go and choose something that you perhaps already know about, or something that you've always wanted to start a business in. Whether you got a 9-to-5 job and you want to do, let's say, health and fitness on the side, or home and gardening, or cooking, if you want to, if you want to make money in the cooking niche by selling recipes, you can really build a business out of anything using the strategy. And that's why I really like it, because it's very flexible and it's very on the go, as you just need a laptop, this website, and an internet connection. So for the purpose of today's video, I've got a very good product in mind, and I've personally made thousands of dollars with a specific product. If I come over to the search bar and I go and search Video Marketing Blaster, which is a tool that helps content creators on the internet rank on the top page of Google and YouTube. And also what I really like about it is not only are they paying $34.49 once-off commission, they're also paying $10.45 recurring commissions every single month. That means if you refer me to this program and you refer another person, and let's say 5 people your first month, and another 5 people the next month, you are now going to have a total of 10 people paying you every single month $10.45. So you can see how this passive income starts to add up over this time. And using this strategy, I've made multiple affiliate commissions on multiple affiliate programs, which I talk about on other videos on my channel. So what we're going to go and do is, now that we have a product, just to go and show you, if I click on the link to this product, you just click on the big title, it will open up the landing page over here. You don't need something like ClickFunnels or Builderall or Kartra to go and create your own funnel, because the creators of this tool have created a specific funnel specialized and tailor-made for us as affiliates to go and promote. And as it says, 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube. I've personally used this tool for my YouTube channel, and a lot of my videos have gotten tons of more views using this. This tool only costs a once-off amount of $27. They do have more upsells where you'll be getting your passive income. So the next step is click on promote over here. You can go and click generate hop link, and over here is your magic link that you need to keep safe. So go and copy this link, and if you paste it in a new browser, it will take you to the home page of this product, but it's specifically being connected to your ClickBank account. So when somebody or anybody purchases this product through your link, it knows to send those commissions straight to you. Now, some websites like Instagram or Facebook or there's a lot of websites out there that ban direct affiliate links. So what we need to do is to make sure that doesn't go and happen is come over to this website over here called bio.fm, which is a very similar website to that of Linktree, where you can go and create your own free bridge page that is purposely made for your Instagram bio, your Facebook page bio, your TikTok bio, where your viewers and audience can go and click on your link. So what you're going to go and do is go and sign into a completely free account over here on bio.fm. There's literally no paid fees or anything like this. This strategy is completely free to do. I'm going to go and sign in with my existing account. Bio.fm is really seeming to take its time, so maybe the website's under maintenance or something. Just come over to linktree.ee. I'll zoom in on the screen over here. Exact same kind of thing. Click on login over here or sign up completely for free. And over here, you can log in with your details. If you don't have an account, you can easily just sign up. Once you've landed on your dashboard, click on add new link and go and paste your title and URL from ClickBank. So we can just go and copy Video Marketing Blaster, rank on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. For your URL, just go and copy your affiliate link. So just go and create your help link again. Go and copy this link over here, come over to Linktree and go and paste this over here. And over here, if it gives you an unsafe URL, just come over to a website called bit.ly where we can go and shorten our affiliate link, because sometimes these long affiliate links on ClickBank look very long and unneat and spammy. So we can go and use a website like bit.ly or bit.ly to go and shorten that link to make it neater. Click on create on the top right, just go and paste your affiliate link and click on create again. And over here you will see on the right hand side of Bitly, you've got your short little URL, which you can go and copy, come back to Linktree and just go and paste this over here. And when that's done, you'll see your landing page will look like this with your clickable button to your Video Marketing Blaster product. You can now go and share by copying your link to your landing page over here. Go and paste this in a new tab, click on enter, and over here is what your bridge page will look like, which is a big button that looks like this. And when people click on the link in your bio and they click on this link, it's going to take them through your affiliate link to your landing page, which is your affiliate product. So as easy as that, we are now ready to go and use this strategy to make money off of this page. That's going to lead us to TikTok over here. Now, we're not going to use the traditional way of just posting on TikTok and having people click on a link. We don't even need to create our own content. In fact, we don't even need to edit or record anything at all, which is what I really like about this strategy. We are going to use and outsource already viral videos on TikTok and replicate that virality to our affiliate link via Facebook Reels. Now, I want to show you something over here. I created this page a month and a half ago, and I've gotten it to over 38,000 followers in its first month. And I've only posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 2 more down here. I know it's a total of 13 posts on my page. And all of these posts, this post over here got 1 million views. This post over here got 58,000 views, 187,000 views. And what I've really noticed about Facebook Reels, it is very easy to go viral. And that's because Facebook Reels is really pushing out Facebook Reel content creators on the Explore page because they want to compete with YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram Reels. So all we're going to go and do is, I know over here I create my own content, but you're going to do the same thing by outsourcing content on TikTok over here by going and searching YouTube growth tips on TikTok, and we're going to go and look for the videos with the most views and then replicate that on Facebook. And that way we are then going to have our affiliate link in the bio of our Facebook page like this, and your page will grow if you stick to a consistent schedule with this. Over here, for example, is a video, how to grow on YouTube, got 122,000 views. This one got 708,000 views. So we can go and click on this video, just go and pause it, copy the link of this TikTok, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without the watermark, because it's super important we download that without the watermark, because the algorithm of Facebook Reels will then pick it up as a repost if you keep that watermark, knowing it's just a repost of a TikTok, and it most likely won't push that video. So go and paste this URL over here, click on search, go and click on the big blue download button over here, and this video will then download to your PC without that annoying little TikTok watermark in the corner of the video. You'll see over here, if I open this up, there's no annoying watermark. So what you can go and do is come over to Facebook. You need to download the Facebook app on your phone. I'll put a screenshot over here, as you can only post a reel on your mobile device. There's no option to upload a reel on the desktop site. So come over to Facebook on your mobile app, click on Reel, upload the video as is. You don't need to add songs or edit anything, leave it as is. Write a little caption, for example, YouTube SEO and growth hack, and then all you want to do is in the comments of your videos, for example, like I think I did it with this one. If I click on comment like this over here, and all I'll do is I will go and post a comment leading people to my affiliate link. So you can go and type here, 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube with this tool. You can literally use the title of your sales page and then leave the link to your Linktree page over here. And when your viewers click on that link, it will take them to this page, and then they click on your affiliate link over here, which leads to sales and which leads to affiliate commissions. Now this may not sound difficult. At all, but the hard part is being consistent at this over a long period of time. What I recommend is set a schedule for your Facebook page. Take an hour a day, whether it's in the evenings after work or during the day if you've got more free time. Go and find some viral content ideas relative to your affiliate product. In my case, it's about ranking on Google and YouTube, and go and post on your Facebook page, whether it's once a day, once a week, once every second day, once every 3 days, every Wednesday, every Monday, every Friday, you name it. Set a schedule that suits you and make sure you stick to that. And that is the secret to going viral on any platform, is these kind of algorithms reward the creators that are consistent. That whole idea of posting a video, hoping it gets to 1 million views, it doesn't work like that. Otherwise, everyone would go viral. So the algorithms have been programmed to reward the creators that post consistently. And that's my secret tip for you guys today. And what I'm going to do is to help you out more with the Facebook Reel algorithm, TikTok algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. I've created an entire playlist on my YouTube channel dedicated to YouTube growth, understanding the algorithm, not only with YouTube, also Facebook and TikTok. So I'm going to leave my YouTube growth playlist over here and my TikTok growth playlist over here on how to make money on TikTok using the algorithm and with strategies like this. So what I suggest is, if you're going to try this, definitely follow me on Instagram and keep me updated with your progress. And also make sure you go and save these playlists to your watch later, or go and watch them now if you really want to boost the growth of your Facebook page. So make sure to click on one of these over here, and I'll see you over there.